Welcome on Craft Studio. Today I will guide you how to make paper boat. So I am going ahead to making a beautiful boat. So first of all, I hold the upper side of the paper and put it on the bottom side and press the half of the between. So you can see. So the next step is just that we will fold the right side on the inner side of the half of behind. So here you go. You can see as we do the same on the left side of the paper. So after the folding you press the both of the side. So you can see you can do what kind of paper you want to use. So I am using the green paper just because of that. I like the green color. So you just follow the same steps as I am doing. So the next step is just that our half of the board is ready, and we just fold the corners of the paper for just that because we are making the beautiful on the corners. So you can see you just follow the same steps as I am doing. So as we do all the same as we did on the left side, now I am doing the same step with the right side. So you can see after the putting on the inside, just press on the both side, open the paper in the between. So you can see our half of boat is ready. So now I am going ahead to the making the corners of the boat. So after opening, to press the all corners tightly. After pressing the all corners of tightly, you just you can see the unnecessary part. You can fold the upside and also press it. After pressing the upside and pressing, you will do the same step as the behind on the back of the paper. Turn the papers and do the same step as we did in the first side. You can see we just also, and the last you just open the bolt. After the opening, so write the all of things. You can see our board is ready. Thank you.